Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn the names of 20 different cars. Each car looks special and has its own job. Kids, are you ready?
Yes, Mom.
Mom is ready too. Let's go.
Yay!
Yay!
First one. This is a sedan car.
Yay!
This is a sedan car. It is a comfy family car with 4 doors. Great for school, shopping and daily rides.
Amazing. Now next one. This is a hatchback car.
Yay!
This is a hatchback car. It is small and easy to drive in busy streets. The back door opens up for extra space.
Amazing. This is an SUV.
Yay!
This is an SUV. It is big and strong with lots of room. SUVs are perfect for long trips and rough roads.
This is a crossover car.
Yay!
This is a crossover car. It is a mix of a small car and an SUV. Comfortable, light and great for families.
This is a coupe car.
Yay!
This is a coupe car. It has 2 doors and a cool sporty shape. People choose coupes when they love stylish cars.
This is a convertible car.
Yay!
This is a convertible car. Its roof can open and close. With the roof open, you can feel the sun and wind while you drive.
This is a sports car.
Yay!
This is a sports car. Sports cars are made for speed and fun. They look sharp and zoom quickly on the road.
This is supercar.
Yay!
This is a supercar. A supercar is even faster and more powerful than a sports car. It has an amazing design that turns everyone's head.
This is a luxury car.
Yay!
This is a luxury car. Inside, it feels soft, quiet and and very comfortable. Luxury cars make every ride feel special.
This is a limousine.
Yay!
This is a limousine. A limousine is long and fancy. People use it for parties, weddings, and big celebrations.
This is an electric car.
Yay!
This is an electric car. It runs on batteries instead of petrol or diesel. Electric cars are quiet and good for the earth.
Very good. This is a hybrid car.
Yay!
It uses both fuel and electricity. Hybrid cars save energy and help reduce pollution.
Very good. This is a compact car.
Yay!
This is a compact car. It is small and easy to park in tight places. Compact cars use very little fuel.
Very good. This is a muscle car.
Yay!
This is a muscle car. It has a very strong engine and bold design. Muscle cars make a loud, deep sound when they drive.
This is an off-road car.
Yay!
This is an off-road car. It can drive on rocks, mud and bumpy paths. Off-road cars are perfect for adventures.
Very good. This is a vintage car.
Yay!
This is a vintage car. It is an old car kept in beautiful condition. Vintage cars are rare and look like they came from a storybook.
This is a police car.
Yay!
This is a police car. Police cars have lights and sirens to reach emergencies fast. They help to keep people safe on the road.
This is a taxi car.
Yay!
This is a taxi car. A taxi takes people where they need to go. You can spot it by its bright color and taxi sign.
Very good. This is a Formula car.
Yay!
This is a Formula car. It is one of the fastest cars in the world. Formula cars race in big competitions with huge crowds.
Now the last one. This is a race car.
Yay!
This is a race car. It is built for speed on race tracks. With a light body and strong engine, it zooms around the circuit.
Wow, that was amazing. Today at Mom and Me Fun Factory, we have learned 20 amazing types of cars. Which one was your favorite? Supercar, limousine, or police car?
My favorite was the luxury car.
Yay!
Amazing. So next time let's ride luxury cars.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so don't miss our next video. Bye bye little drivers. See you in the next video.
Bye bye.